Hey, hello everyone. This is Pritam Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. I hope you guys are doing well. So today this is our part 47, 48 video of pyspark interview series. Okay, so if you guys have not watched our earlier videos, you can watch that if you are preparing for interview. This whole series, it would be very much useful for you guys. You can practice based on the companies, all the interview questions we have shared, and we have shared the solve how to solve the question that also we have explained. So you can go through the earlier videos. For in this video we are going to see one of the interview question from EY, so Ernest Young. So this is the Big 4 company, as you guys all know. So here recently what kind of question pattern they used to use for technical interview, data engineering technical interview, that we'll see one of the question. So this question it's a real-time question. Okay, this question was asked one of my LinkedIn's connection. Okay, so he has posted in the LinkedIn, so I have taken it from there, and I have solved it based on my way. If you guys are thinking that you can solve it in other approach also, so you can solve it by yourself also, and comment your question, your answer in the video comment section so that everybody can see. Okay, so let's see what is the question. So uh, they have given this kind of uh, okay pipeline job status. Okay, so basically in our ADF pipeline logs, from ADF pipeline logs, this kind of job status you can assume. Okay, so in that run date, and this is the job status, this is the run date, this is the job status. So whenever it got failed, whenever it got success, so based on that the data dates are given. Okay, in a table. But now they want this want the output like this. So basically whenever it is failed, so it has failed 3 and 4. Okay, 3rd August and 4th August. So fail started 3rd August and ended 4th August. So and for success, how it has shown. So for success, 1st August it has success, 2nd August also succeed, and once again 3rd August also succeed. These data are there. So this data, how they are trying to show, so 1st August it started succeed. Okay, as I succeed. 2nd August also succeed. So the end, because 3rd August it got failed, so till 2nd August the pipeline successfully run. Okay, next run, based on our record it happened, next successful run it happened 13 based on our record. Okay, so that's why the start date it has considered 13, and there is no record, as there is no record after 13 as a success. So 13 is, it is considering as a ended also. Okay, the same thing happened for fail also. Okay, 3 and 4, 3rd also it got failed, 4th also it got failed. So on 3rd the failure started, till 4th the failure continued. There is no date between that, if any other job status. Okay, so based on that they have implement and they have uh, given the problem, and they expecting the answer like this. Okay, so how to do this. So it is basically the what are the job status, it is continuing till which date. Based on that we need to consider the start and end date. So we need to do some tricky calculation here. So how we'll do that, I will show you. Okay, so already the data is here, you can see. So now what we can do, we can create one new TF, and the required functions I have already imported. Okay, no need to run once again the function, all the functions and window. Okay, so we'll use here window function also. Okay, so df dot with column. Okay, with column, so we'll take one uh, new column here. Okay, uh, so what we'll do, row number row number 1. Okay, then what we'll do, we will use the row number function over what, over run date. Okay, let me take this row upper of this so that I can implement it better here. Okay, over, so row number over window dot order by, first we will get the row number based on the run date. Okay, okay, now if I'll show new date dot show, how we will get it, let's see. We are getting this based on the run date. Okay, based on the run date, the data got ordered by, and it got the row number. Now once again we'll we'll take one another column. We'll keep the column name as row number 2. Okay, so row number over partition, here we will use the partition, window partition. Okay, window dot partition by job status, status job status dot order by run date. Okay, okay, so you can see based on the this code, it created window based on the job status, and it has given the row number 2, 1 2 for fail. This is the first time failed, this is the second time failed. For success, this is the first time success, this is the second time success, and once again third time it got succeed. Okay, so now what we'll do, we will create our final df. Final df equals to new df dot with column difference. Okay, so how we are implementing, how this kind of calculation you need to think from your thought process. You will get it how to do this job after seeing the after seeing their expected output. Okay, desired output. Okay, so what we'll do, so basically we'll use the number 1, so number 1 minus number 2. Okay, okay, now if I'll final df dot show, each and every time try to perform and see the output what it is coming. Based on that your thought process will work, and you will you can think what would be our next step, what would be our right step to be taken for in our next output. Okay, for getting the desired output, what you need to, what kind of transformation you need to perform. Okay, so now you can see, when we are just we are just perform the differentiate between row 1 and row 2, we are getting the out. So now what happened, you can see for failure, for these are the failure, it happened consecutive days. Okay, 3 and 4, that's why uh, we here we got the difference 2 2. Okay, these are the success, it happened consecutive days. 1 2, we got 0 0. These are the, this is the success, it happened 13, just one day. This got also 2, but here job status is different. Di- diff diff value is 2, but job status is different. So now how to get this kind of start date and end date, this kind of output, let me show you. So now we'll do final df equals to final df dot group by group by. In group by we'll consider job status, job status, then we'll consider one another column diff. Okay, so for this it would be a different group by, for these two this would be a different group by, for these two this would be a different group by. Okay, group by operation. So now in aggregation, what we can do, we can use max of run date. Okay, now what, alias start date. Okay, now here we can do, what we can do, run date. Okay, dot alias end date. Okay, so now what happened, now the max, from here max state, it has taken from failure and different, these are the group by condition, these two. Based on this, from the run date, the maximum one, maximum, sorry, here I given it as an opposite type, we need to consider it as a mean, and this would be a max. Okay, I just given the opposite thing. Okay, so now what happened, based on this, based on this window, it has taken the max value, maximum value means 4 as a end date, and started date the lesser one, the earlier started, the mean value as a start date. Okay, same for this success also. Okay, this success also, this is a group by condition, 0 was its different. Based on this, that's why 0 and 2, that's why this success is different whenever we are considering diff in group by logic. Okay, so this is a different time success. After this failure, this success happened, so that's why this success will not be considered here. So this success happened, start date is 1 and end date is 2, and it is 2. Okay, and next success happened, this one, this is a different success. Okay, next success happened, start date is 13, end date is not given, so we will consider this only the end date, the same one for this, for this window start success and diff 2. Okay, so based on this we will get the we are getting the desired output, you can see. So the output is matching, you can see both the output matching. So we just need to remove the div column. So for that, drop. Okay, I hope you guys have understood the concept. If you have any kinds of doubt, you can comment on the video comment section, I can reply you. Okay, and I will try to give you the understanding. Okay, if you still have any kinds of doubt, you can directly book my session on TopMate. It's a complete free session. Okay, I don't used to take any kind of charges for that. Okay, you can see, you can visit my TopMate profile. From there you can book the session for any kinds of doubt. Okay, and if you are thinking any other contents, other types of contents you required, you can comment that also. You can give us the feedback based on our video contents. Okay, and based on your feedback we will try to improve our things. Okay, so feedback is very much important, as you guys know. As it's a non-profitable initiative, I would request you guys visit our channel, subscribe our channel. If you are thinking our video is good, then do share with your friends, press the like button. Okay, so and stay with us. Okay, without your support we will not able to grow this channel, and we will not able to grow the bigger data engineering community. Okay, community is basically everyone will help every the other other people. Okay, everyone will help and everyone will one will contribute. Okay, without different people's contribution, nobody can achieve all the things. Okay, so everyone will contribute. Okay, so that we can make a bigger community. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood. If you still have not subscribed, I would request you guys, please subscribe our channel and stay with us. Okay, thank you for watching our video. For now, bye.